Hey you guys, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. I really do appreciate it. I know you didn't have to. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that ring-a-dingy bell for notifications, and I will support you back. I always do. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? So, can anybody guess what I've been playing with tonight? Makeup. Okay, so this was an unplanned video and I just decided last minute I was going to record. So just, you guys know the drill, the look on the face, the drama, everything that's going on up here and here. I'm just being silly tonight. Y'all know the drill. Keep on watching. I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so oh yes, I'm in the middle of an eye look. So here's the story. Yeah, I was just sitting here playing around with this palette, and this is a beautiful palette. This is a palette that my friend Krista gave me as a late Christmas present, basically. It's the same palette that I got Sherry, and it is the Morphe 39A Dare to Create Artistry palette, Dare to Create palette 39A, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It is gorgeous. It has every single color that you can think of in the whole world except white. And it doesn't really have a brow bone shade, but other than that, it has got your every single just loves. That's why this is what I was thinking about when we got the Tarte palette in Boxy, because I was like, well, at least now I know that I will have some shimmer shades to do for inner corner highlight and for brow bone if I need for brow bone. So that's why I wasn't complaining. But the reason why I came on is because I was playing around with it, and I'm starting to get into one of those situations where I don't like where my look is going. And I remember seeing a comment on Auntie Gina's page the other day from a subscriber of mine as well, who said, you know, thank you so much, Gina, for doing these looks. You know, how, you know, where we can follow along, or where I can follow along, and it's easy. So, and that really struck a chord with me in a good way, because I was like, you know what, it's true. You know, a lot of times I'll go through and I'll do these looks, and I won't even, you know, sometimes I'll like put it in the annotations, like what I'm doing or how I'm doing it or what I'm using, but I usually don't. And so for that, I apologize. If that's something you guys would like to see from me, as far as like doing, like, you know, talking to like talk through videos, as far as how I'm doing my eyeshadow, as opposed to just fast forward and music, let me know, because I want to know. I want to know if that's what you guys want to see. So right now I'm in a conundrum. I have, because I wasn't sure how this palette was going to perform. Alright, so I have trouble matching up both sides of, when I try to do a sharp look like this, I have trouble matching up both sides. And the trouble I'm having right now is the fact that I started with a color, ended up turning into, like, on my skin, over this color right here. It looks kind of bright, right? Well, it's not. It ended up looking almost like baby poop, and I was like, ooh. So I decided I had to go with blue with it. So I started putting the blue over it, and the blues are in this, oh, so gorgeous. Oops. So gorgeous. This whole entire section right here is what I've been playing with, and then of course the green there, and then a little bit of the green here. So I'm in a kind of a pinch right now. It happens. I swear it happens. I get in pinches a lot. I've already messed with the shimmer on my lid just a little, just to kind of see, you know, how it would look. I know that this does not look even, you guys, but I promise you it will be. Right now I'm trying to get my bottom lash line fixed here, because I'm trying to build a line, a sharp line. I don't like using tape, but it's this freaking green's fault. And So I do get into these messes myself. I do. I get into these messes. And it's, you know, I have to find my way out of them. But like I said, my friend Krista gave me this palette, and I am playing around with it because I do want to do a bunch of looks with this palette. I think this is a gorgeous palette. I think it deserves every bit of glory in the whole world because it is just so pretty. And I just love it. I think it's so pretty. I'm like, okay, so where should I go next? And if you guys want to see more of the talk through with me, then I'm fine with that. I would love to do that with you guys. I'm just really long-winded. It takes me a long time to get through my eyeshadow, and that's the reason why I generally don't do the talk throughs and the slow tutorials like that. The way I see it is I kind of do them in a way where, you know, you guys can see what colors I'm using and where I'm placing them, and then you can kind of place them where you want on your eyes. So, and that's what I think in my brain, but maybe I need to stop thinking that way, and that's why I need you guys' help to let me know exactly what you want to see. So now I'm gonna, you know, kind of walk through what I'm gonna do here, and for the rest of my look. Okay, so I was using this flat brush to do, I put that little bit of blue, and this was like the lighter blue right here. So I need to bring in another color is what I need to do. I need to bring in another color, and I know that. At this point, I think it's about as even as it's going to get as far as this goes. But I do want to bring in a different color, and the good thing is that the reason why I put that light blue right there on the outside is because I was kind of trying to test the pigment to see if it's like the regular Morphe formula or whatever, to see if I was going to be able to actually use a brush or use my fingers because you guys know I am known for both. See, this is the part of you know, what other shimmer or what color next, you know. I should have done a live. I'm feeling this dark look, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in two more colors, and one of them is going to be the color called Chromatic, and that's going to be this one right here, that shimmer. So let's see how that works, and I'm going to roll this and fast forward if that's okay. I do like that. I like that. See, I'm testing the shades on my arm to see what goes good with what. Well, we're gonna go with that dark duochrome. Wow, that made quite an impact, didn't it? That made quite an impact. Okay, that is gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back in with that first color, this one, and I'm going to make that more of kind of like a statement color to break up the monotony of the green and blue. See, I like that. I like the way that looks. And this is very dark, but I like dark. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more thing to this look, and I'm gonna fix the top too. There is another color that I didn't even think about going with, and it is this green right here. And what I'm gonna do is, it looks like I'm flicking you off. I promise I'm not. I'm gonna pop that right in the middle of that brown and just kind of give it like a different effect. Light along the lash line. Just to bring some brightness, a little bit of brightness back in. Right. There is no bright in this look. I'm not even gonna lie to you. There is no bright. I'm gonna have to smoke out my lower lash line so hard. So this is just me just having just to talk and just to chilling with you guys, like doing my makeup. Just nobody's talking back. I just really felt like I needed to get that out there. And you know, when I was doing makeup, I was kind of in a place where I wanted to talk to you guys. And another, I'm gonna call this Amazon, the Amazon Rainforest eye, because it almost looks like a leaf. And something that I can do that would really make that happen would be to come in here with the green and basically outline this whole look and make the point right there, just like that. New ideas, you guys, new ideas. The Amazon eye, and this is the dark Amazon eye. So the baby poop green actually ended up doing good, better than I thought. I was able to use it for something other than to just cover it up. Baby poop green and its friends. So yes, I do. I like that. Okay, it's time to smoke out this bottom lash line like nobody's business. So I'm going to work on that. I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the smoky green Amazon eye. I don't know what kind of lippy I'm going to put with this, but you guys can see I'm going to do some liner and some lashes, and you guys will see exactly where I'm going with this. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. Yes, it is very dramatic, very dramatic, I know, which I don't mind doing dramatic looks. I actually like and enjoy doing dramatic looks when the opportunity presents itself. I really enjoy doing like super dramatic looks like this. It's super dark, super dramatic, super, I mean, I just went all out on it, honestly, because I figured, you know what, why not? So, but I really just wanted to get on here and just kind of chat with you guys about what I was talking about earlier, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching, you know, just kind of, you know, my little conundrum that I was in with my color situation and how I got out of it, and this is the finished product. So it was just kind of a play with makeup night, and thank you guys for hanging out with me. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a like, subscribe, and tap the ring-a-ding bell for notifications, and I will support you back. You know I will. You know I will. I love you guys, but I will not argue with you. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this look on me. I mean, is this unexpected or super expected? That's the question. Unexpected or super expected? I love you guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye.